The 706-ton super heavy transport vehicle with 280 wheels is slowly moving through the center of Wisbech, Cambridgeshire, drawing the attention of a large crowd. Police have blocked off the roads and are managing the public to ensure absolute safety. On board is a massive generator being transported to the Walpole Bridge Stabilization Facility in Norfolk. The journey requires advanced technical skills, precise coordination, and meticulous planning by the heavy haulage specialists. At a landfill site, the dump truck encountered a precarious situation. While unloading dirt, the truck sank deeply and tilted to one side on the verge of tipping over into the water's edge. Immediately, a bulldozer was dispatched to level the ground and create a stable support. Above, an excavator used its arm to hook onto the truck's bed to help it regain balance. This was a display of experienced coordination and calculation by skilled workers to rescue the truck from a dangerous predicament. Amidst the magnificent natural scenery of Brazil, a resonant sound signals the arrival of a steel train. This is a container train operated by Brado, a subsidiary of Rumo. Two powerful locomotives, one red and one green, pull more than 70 double-stacked cars. Each car can carry up to 99 tons of cargo. Its strength is equivalent to at least 140 heavy trucks, significantly reducing traffic and car emissions thanks to its superior efficiency. The current train journey connects Sumare and Rondonópolis, an important logistical artery of the country. On the muddy construction site, the massive Shantui DH-17 bulldozer was seriously stuck. The tracks spun hopelessly, and the giant machine seemed powerless against the thick mud. A rescue operation was launched, with the arrival of the Komatsu D31A bulldozer. When the initial efforts were insufficient, the Sakai SV521DF roller was dispatched to assist. With the combined strength of both, they ultimately succeeded in pulling the giant out of the mire in an impressive display of teamwork and efficiency on the site. On February 24, 2020, a remarkable journey began, despite the harsh, snowy weather, transporting a gigantic CO2 tank from Barlage and Hazaluna to Durban. This mission was carried out by Mamlet, a world-renowned company specializing in heavy transport. The enormous tank, with its massive size and weight, was carefully placed on a multi-axle trailer, slowly moving through the narrow streets of the town. Every movement was precisely calculated. Escort vehicles, technical teams, all became part of this spectacular logistical and coordination performance. This was not just a transport operation, it was a technical feat. On a quiet road through the palm forest, the driver of the Bintang Utara Putra bus had to swerve suddenly to avoid a large truck that was overtaking. The abrupt maneuver caused the bus to skid off the road, resulting in significant damage to the front of the vehicle. Fortunately, the driver only sustained minor injuries in the incident. Shortly after, with the help of several locals and the truck itself, the stranded bus was pulled back onto the road.
Pasangkan di belakang rambu-rambu, pasangkan di belakang rambu-rambu.
On Sunday, August 18th, Eloise transported a 356-ton Siemens Energy generator from Ipswich Port to the eye synchronization plant in Yaxley, Suffolk. The equipment was suspended between two trailers, forming a convoy 81 meters long that moved through the center of Ipswich. Due to the oversized load, the police had to close the road, remove traffic lights, and signs to ensure a safe journey. The logistics were meticulously planned, including route surveys, infrastructure checks, and coordination with authorities to ensure the transportation process went smoothly and safely. The wheeled truck unfortunately slid down and got stuck deep in the drainage ditch. The weak, steep, and treacherous terrain made all conventional rescue options using excavators impossible. In this situation, the final option chosen was to mobilize a crane, with its immense power and high precision. After many hours of effort, the truck was safely brought back to shore. At the scene, an orange dump truck was involved in an accident, lying on its side in a ditch by the roadside in a severely damaged condition. A rescue team, consisting of 2 tow trucks, was carrying out the evacuation under intense pressure. With the powerful pull of the cable, the truck was slowly lifted upright, accompanied by dramatic sounds of metal clashing and deforming, before being successfully pulled out of the ditch. Witness the spectacular journey of transporting a massive transformer weighing 342 tons along the roads of France. This super heavy-duty convoy, featuring powerful Mercedes-Benz prime movers and specialized trailers stretching several meters long, moves with great caution. Navigating through narrow roundabouts requires top-notch skills and precise coordination down to the centimeter from the entire operating team. This is truly an impressive display of mechanical power and modern logistics engineering that leaves anyone in awe. While unloading, a 5-ton dump truck slid into a muddy pond due to the weak ground, with its rear sinking deep and getting stuck. Immediately, a coordinated rescue operation was launched. Behind, a Cat 312B excavator patiently scooped up large chunks of soil, relieving pressure and creating a path for the wheels. At the same time above, a bulldozer was straining to pull strongly from the front. Thanks to the harmonious teamwork between the two machines, the truck was safely pulled back onto the road.
Cứ thử xem nào.
Quăng đấy. Lui ra này đi.
Đi lui ra đi.
Oh my gosh! Have you ever seen an excavator standing upright like it's performing a circus act? Looking at this scene, many people must exclaim that he doesn't deserve to drive that excavator.
Đấy, con được rồi. Ok, ok, được rồi.
The giant specialized vehicle from Alelis is transporting a 50-meter-long Siemens SGT5 4000F gas turbine weighing up to 350 tons to the new Millbrook power plant. The journey spans 79 miles, taking nearly 22 hours, causing delays on the M25 and M1 roads. Under police escort, the convoy moves through many small towns and narrow roundabouts, attracting a large crowd of curious onlookers. This is one of the most complex and impressive heavy lift operations ever to take place on the streets of England. I witnessed the powerful performance of the Warhorse 3-axle truck. Even when fully loaded with wood, the metal beast roared as it conquered the slippery, muddy roads. Especially memorable was the moment the truck crushed through the puddles, splashing water as it moved forward. It truly lives up to its reputation as the tank of the mountains and forests. I am truly impressed by the skill and bravery of the driver.
48 toneladas. Livrou a roda dianteira aqui todinha.
In the middle of the treacherous dirt road of the BR 230 Trans-Amazon Road, a Volvo tractor trailer loaded with cement was caught in a dilemma. The front wheel of the truck sank deep into the soft dirt ditch on the side of the road, causing the giant vehicle to tilt to one side, completely helpless. A complex rescue operation was launched, requiring the coordination of a crane and a specialized tow truck. After 2 hours of intense effort, with the help of heavy machinery and manpower, the vehicle was finally successfully freed and pulled back to the road safely. In an effort to avoid some motorcyclists, the Ford truck loaded with goods veered off the road and got stuck in the mud. The first rescue attempt with a tow truck failed. Shortly after, a more powerful JCB backhoe came into action. With its superior pulling power, the yellow Hero easily pulled the truck out of the mire, successfully freeing the driver from the difficult situation.
Meu pai do céu, fala-me Jesus, agora vai. Meu Deus, tem misericórdia.
Agora, não, ali. Vai. Aí já passa direto.
At the Samarinda slope, a tractor trailer carrying heavy equipment suddenly lost control, crashed straight into a house on the roadside, causing severe damage to the porch. The incident caused a long traffic jam. The rescue was extremely dramatic, lasting from morning until late at night. Fortunately, there were no casualties in this rare incident. The Samarinda slope on the Samarinda-Bontang connecting road is a harsh challenge for all drivers. The steep slope, narrow road, and slippery terrain make climbing the slope a real battle. Just losing control or skidding, an accident can happen at any time. An unusual incident occurred while driving a tractor up a treacherous mountain road. A water jug unexpectedly got stuck in the clutch, causing the driver to lose control. The tractor slid for a long distance, veering off the road and getting stuck in a very dangerous position, fortunately being held back by a tree trunk. A rescue operation began with great effort. Local residents joined forces, using an excavator to clear the way, cutting branches with a saw, and mobilizing another tractor to pull the stranded vehicle back onto the safe road.
Çekin. Çekin, çekin, ön çekin. Tamam, çekin. Çekin. Salim geldi olmuyor bak. Motor frende mi lan? Motora bakın. Lan. Hop. Tamam. Tamam.
The scene of the serious accident at Ketebuhan Gorge, where a Fuso truck carrying a container plunged into a deep ravine. Due to the treacherous and complex terrain, the rescue operation required the combined strength of 3 heavy-duty cranes. Bit by bit, in an atmosphere of extreme tension, the rescue teams coordinated smoothly to pull the deformed truck out of the dangerous position. Fortunately, the accident did not result in any casualties, but it serves as a profound reminder of the importance of driving carefully on winding mountain roads. Heavy localized rain made the road slippery, causing a heavily loaded truck carrying wood to be unable to climb the slope and tip over in the middle of the forest road. Shortly after, an excavator was deployed, and after clearing the large logs, it carefully approached, lifted, and assisted in moving the stranded vehicle out of the danger zone.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.